Hi class, welcome to week 6 vocabulary. So let's go ahead and pronounce these words and explain what they mean. The first word is empathetic. Empathetic. Remember, when you say a TH sound, you stick out your tongue. So the word empathetic means that you feel for someone. For example, if you see that your best friend broke their bone, you may bring them some soup because you empathize, you feel for them. The next word is insult. Insult. This one you kind of need to roll your tongue a little bit. Insult. Insult means that you are rude. You make a rude comment. So, for example, if I saw a woman come through the door and I said, "Ew, you are wearing a wrinkly dress," I am insulting the way she looks. The next word is interpersonal. Interpersonal. Interpersonal is the way you communicate with someone. So, for example, I would be interpersonal if I held out my hand and shook it for someone before COVID. That would be an interpersonal gesture. Now, being interpersonal after COVID means that we stand 6 feet away from them. The next word is nonverbal. Nonverbal is gestures or actions. So if your children come home from school and you hear this slam and them pounding their feet, that probably means that they had a really bad day. So those are nonverbal cues that let me know the mood of someone. Passive is someone who is not very active or energetic. So this would be a passive action. If my husband says, "Let's go on a date," and I'm like, meh. Like, "Do you want to go to the movies?" I'll be like, meh. So passive is not giving really any kind of reaction. The word sarcasm. Sarcasm is joking, but sarcasm can be taken 2 different ways. Sarcasm can be mean, like girls can be mean to one another. We're like, "Ew, look at that dress she's wearing. I want to be wearing that dress." So it's a way to be rude, or another way to be sarcastic is among friends. You're like, "Oh man, you couldn't touch her with a 10-foot pole." So those are the words that we have this week. If you have any questions, let me know.